this is a brief demo and unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Received the unit today. Not much included in the box. Is pretty much just the watch. And there on the back there are the heart rate sensors. There's an extra band. I believe that's a little bit larger than the 40 millimeter band, but it's not much larger. Inside the bottom is the Qi Charger and some very, very strong adhesive here. I think that's like some industrial grade adhesive. I could just barely get it off. And there are actually two of them on there. And I was contemplating actually using some scissors, but it's on there pretty tight. I didn't want to cut the coils on there. So I thought about it for just a second and then decided to just keep fiddling with it until I was able to get the adhesive off of here. And then after a few couple pulls, I was actually able to get it off. It comes with a fairly large tail, and there are just some additional shrink wrap that's on the device. And so it's a pretty small Qi charger. It's pretty much similar to the Apple Watch charger. Nothing else in there. No instructions. Just could pretty much just move some of those out of the way. So the actual Qi charger, the watch actually comes charged. It was came about 75% actually charged, so that was pretty good. And I'll have a little video just slightly up after here. It takes about 27 minutes to go from 75% all the way up to 100%. So just kind of turn it around just a little bit here so you can actually see it. It came charged 75%. And I had a test to try to see if it works with the regular Qi charger. So here, this is I'm forgetting the name of the charger now, but I think it's a unbound charger. I have another video on the channel, and I'll put it in a card up top of the actual unboxing video here. And it's that this particular panel is made for the Apple Watch, and it is not actually recognizing that a Qi devices on it. So the second panel actually detects that it's on there, but it looks like it needs to have the magnet in a specific section. So the charging coils aren't able to detect that it's a Qi device. So put it back on the regular Qi. The Samsung included their proprietary Qi charger, and that looks like it works. And so you'll see that it's back at 75%. So there's a quick little test of how long it takes to get up to 100%, and so it's kind of spared you the other 20 20 20 5 26 20 minutes to get up to there, and that's pretty much it. I ran into some major problems trying to actually get the watch paired. So it took me about 40 minutes of it attempting to pair the first time around. So I killed it. I turned off the watch, and I uninstalled the Wear app and was able to connect it back, and it took just a short amount of time to pair this time around. So if it is taking more than a minute to pair, you'll need to turn off the watch, delete the app, and install again. And as you see, it was pretty much once I connected it, there was a new update available. So it takes, I think, about a good 5 or 6 minutes for the update to install to the device. The upload takes a really long time, so don't think that the Bluetooth transfer happens in a fast amount of time. Or maybe that was one of the issues with that particular firmware that is on the Galaxy Watch Active. But once it's on there, it installs. It takes, I think, another 5 or 6 minutes, and the watch is available to use. But that may be something to look at to kind of time and see how long it takes. But it was fairly slow. It's not Apple Watch like 45-50 minutes to get that first initial watchOS build on there, but it does take a little bit longer. And so from there, it came back, and it's back at about 96%. And that's pretty much how it looks on my wrist there. There's the Uber app. I have both my Fitbit on and the Galaxy Watch Active at when I worked out today, and this is a comparison of how it looks and compare it with the Fitbit Versa. So if you like this and want to see more videos, please like this video. And thanks for watching.